Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Quantum FX. But before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, in this video, I'm taking a look at the Quantum FX EA for MT4. It's a free expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Starting here on the product page, we can see that Quantum FX is offered as a free download and is currently listed as version 1.0. According to the marketplace description, this EA is designed to automate trading decisions and help traders execute their strategies with less manual intervention. Since this is an MT4 expert advisor, everything discussed here is specifically related to the MetaTrader 4 platform. All right. So as I scroll through the description, the developer highlights several core areas of functionality. The first is the use of advanced trading algorithms that are intended to analyze market conditions, identify opportunities, and execute trades automatically. The marketplace description does not provide details about the specific indicators or trading logic being used, so it is important not to make assumptions about the underlying strategy. Another area emphasized here is customization. All right. Now, the EA allows users to adjust parameters such as lot size, stop loss, and take profit settings. This flexibility can be useful because traders often have different risk tolerances and trading objectives. Now, the description also mentions risk management tools, including trailing stops, break-even functionality, and dynamic position sizing. Features like these can influence how positions are managed after entry and may help traders structure risk according to their own preferences. Moving further down the page, the developer also highlights backtesting and optimization capabilities. This allows users to evaluate historical performance and test different configurations using historical market data before considering live deployment. In addition, there are real-time monitoring and notification features mentioned, which are designed to keep users informed about trade activity, profit levels, and trading events. All right. Okay. So let's just move over to the backtesting section right away. We don't have any provided strategy tester report here on the page, but we're just going to go straight to our strategy tester here on the MT4 platform. We are testing the Quantum FX EA on XAU/USD on the H1 time frame, and we are using the every tick model. We are testing over the past 3 months from March 20th to June 20th, 2026. Okay, so looking at the report, from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 180.68, and the total trades taken were just 31. All right, and out of that 31 trades, 23 were profitable. That gave us an 86.96% win rate. And then the largest profit here is 155.72. The largest loss is 360.7. The average profit here is 43.15, and the average loss here is 122.13. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is bad, because the difference between the average profit and the average loss is much. We can see it's quite much, right? But then let us head over to our visual mode. Let's turn on the visual mode so we can also see the EA in action. Okay, so as we review the historical backtest results, it is important to remember that the marketplace information does not disclose the exact entry or exit methodology. Because of that, this historical analysis should focus on the observed performance and behavior shown in the test results rather than assumptions about the strategy itself. All right. when evaluating any back test, I prefer looking at longer testing periods whenever possible. Okay, actually, this 3 months is not enough. So that is why I would even recommend, if you're interested in this EA, you should test it over a longer period of time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or even more. So you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. It's just that, the longer the back, the longer the longer the duration of the back test, the more time it takes, right? So I just had to use a shorter duration. But I'll recommend that you run longer term testing yourself so that you can develop a more complete understanding of the EA's behavior. Longer historical data sets generally provide a broader view of how an EA responds to changing market conditions. But then looking through the historical chart activity, we can evaluate how trades were managed, how drawdowns were handled, and how the risk management tools, may have influenced outcomes. And since the EA includes configurable stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, and position sizing options, different settings can produce very different historical testing results. All right. And then, as always, historical backtest results should never be viewed as a guarantee of future performance. Okay, results can vary significantly depending on the risk settings, the lot size selection, the broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. So overall, the Quantum FX EA for MT4 presents itself as a customizable, automated trading tool with risk management features, optimization capabilities, and automated trade execution. So, since the marketplace description provides only limited information about the actual trading logic, thorough testing on both demo accounts and historical data remains essential before making any live trading decisions. And for the fact that this is a free download, I would even further recommend that you forward test the EA on a demo account. So after you have back tested it during your own convenient time, I will recommend that you forward test it on a demo account over, as long as you want to, right? So that you can as well see how it performs in current market conditions on a demo account, obviously. All right, so that you won't have to risk any real money. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next review.